This is my living room and we're in full speed. I have already painted 3 walls out of 4. To do this one. This one has like the big furniture in front, so I'll have to push it in the middle. But afterwards, I will be done with the living room. I might be doing the entrance too, but the walls are so high that I don't know, like I might need like a ladder or something, so I might go get it. And yes, I'm really excited. This is the first step of everything. Yeah. Oh yeah. So satisfying. So good. The yellow needed to go. Very exciting. Hello. So the living room is done right now. So that's all I can do now for the living room. And now I'm down to this area, like the hallway. But the thing is, these are high walls and high ceilings, so my body can't even reach it. I'm 5'9", and I have a whole ass ladder, but I still can't reach up there. So I'm gonna try to use, you know, the long stick to paint, but I will not be able to. You know, do the cutting. I'm gonna try, and if it's ugly, well, I'll find something else. I'll find another way to do it. So proud of myself. Like, it's gonna look cute right now. You know, it's all the old furniture except the sofas, but yeah. Hey girl, what's up? I have a fun little day planned. I don't know what I want to do first, what I want to do second, but the first thing to do is go to the gym. I have taken out my braids. I'm gonna redo them. I'm not sure about the style yet. Yeah, today is a full body workout. Last time I went so hard. I still feel it. Let's do this workout. so it's way later. But I'm getting ready for a concert. I am going to work the runway. It's the RuPaul Drag Race annual show, like annual tour. And it's coming to Montreal, well, Laval. I'm going with my friend Eric and we're going out to eat first. I couldn't do my hair today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I don't want to rush it. I want it to look cute because it's gonna be my graduation hair and we can't afford ugly pics. It's pouring rain. Okay, all right. My father's like, oh, so how are you gonna get in your car? I don't know. I don't know. I gotta go. I paid for that thing. I paid. So I'm wearing this. Yeah. Top from Zara, pants from Abercrombie. And yeah, it looks so good. Oh my god, look at my back. Yeah. I will be wearing like little sandals in pouring rain. Love that for me. And yeah, a little bag and I'll call it a day. I think I might need to leave like yesterday because I'm gonna be late, but my earrings are H&M. I have my hair in a little bunny bun, and yeah, my makeup is simple as always. Mascara, a little bit of eyeshadow to wing it, and yeah, I didn't even put concealer on. I didn't put nothing. I put a lip mask. Yeah, so I love the fit. The fit is so cute. Let's go see what's going on at work, the runway. Hello. So we're eating first and then we're going to the show. Starters, mac and cheese. Lobster mac and cheese. Like, where's the lobster mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese is my ass.
Anyways. I have started to do my hair. I'm gonna talk to you about it later, but right now I'm hiding the top of it because I am not done with it, and I'm going shopping with my niece for back to school. So it's gonna be fun, and I'll catch you guys later. I am currently in the process of finishing my hair. I don't know if you can see this, but one half is done and the other one is almost done. So I have like 3 rows left of 3 or 4. I don't know. I tried to do like the bohemian braids. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like pieces that are not integrated in the braid. You see, those pieces are like out. Let's see how well I'm able to maintain them. Otherwise I'll just cut them, you know. But it looks good. It looks really good, and the ends are curly. So this is my graduation hair. It's kind of turning into a prep vlog, honestly. But yeah, prepping for my graduation. It's on Tuesday. Today we're Saturday, so it's in 3 days. And yeah, I'm very excited and I can't wait to see how it is and see everybody and just chat and close this chapter of my life. Ain't that crazy? It's just crazy. I haven't had this hair color in so long, like my natural hair color. I've tried this new gel. Let me put you onto it. Love it. Shine and Jam. Well, of course, like Shine and Jam is not new, but this one I never tried. It's fortified with silk protein, and it's like the supreme hold, the one that's like the most strong, I guess. And it smells so good. Get a whiff of that. I just been putting this gel everywhere, like on my parts, on everything, and it's so nice. I don't know if you can see my parts, they're so clean. Love that. I'm not gonna get the credit for the parts, my mother did them, but it's all about teamwork. I don't know if you can see this, it's super cute. Like, I'm happy with how it turns out. So I put this strand, it's like for the bohemian like twists, but I'm using it for this hairstyle and it works. So you gotta do with what you have, you know. I had this in like one of the drawers, so I just used it. And so this is going here, over here, and then I just braid it in, and it works perfectly fine. Just take your time. It's not a race. You want it to be pretty, not done quickly. This is how I do it, and it works. Hi, it is 10 a.m. on a Sunday, and I am booking a flight. I'm not gonna tell you where, I'm not gonna tell you when. If it doesn't happen, you never heard about it, and if it does, well, it's gonna be fun. Money comes, money goes, and I'm gonna do it while I'm young and while I can do it. It would be my first solo trip, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm booking that flight. Let's do it. Am I doing it? I'm doing it, okay. I did it. It's done. It's done. It's done. I'm excited. I did it. Oh my god, my bank account's gonna hate me. It's a little later. I just wanted to show you my hairstyle and my outfit, because why not? But it looks like this. I finished it yesterday night, and it's so nice. I look like a different person. Like, I look so different, but I love it. And my outfit, very casual, or not, maybe not that casual, but I feel like it's casual. The pants are a little wrinkly, but the wrinkles will go away in the next like hour. But yeah, this is my hairstyle. I love the fact that I'm a girl. Like, I literally have hairstyles for certain events of my life. I love it. I look like a different person. It's been so long since I've done my hair this color and this crisp, neat. Oh, I love it. Today is Sunday, the day I upload. Today we're going bowling, so you might see this too. Played this game. She's winning. Okay, she has one left and she's gonna get it. Girl, she has another shot. Beginner's luck. Beginner's luck.